I hope you're fine and doing great. In this video, I will explain you about how you can turn on or off the Google Assistant in your device Vivo T1 5G. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move toward the video. As you know, all we have a Google Assistant option in our device. So if you want to turn it on or if you want to turn it off, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can turn on or off the Google Assistant in your device Vivo T1 5G.